Hey everyone, as the host in Gizmo China, I often go to places alone, but still need to film some videos and take photos. So the equipment and a gadget are very important to me. And it might also be the same for you. If that's the case, here are some of the products we want to introduce to you. This video is brought to you by Hover Air. So this is the Hover Air X1 Pro Max, a pocket-sized, lightweight, and self-flying mini drone. The best thing about it is that it can take off from your hand within 10 seconds, then follow you anywhere with AI-powered subject tracking. I'm an electric skateboard lover, but I often skate alone, so with this drone, it helps me capture a lot of awesome moments like this, and this. The video quality is up to 8K 30fps or even 4K 120fps slow-mo with 10-bit color and log to reserve high-res footage. And the flying speed can get up to 37 miles per hour, well enough to even catch up with me when I'm riding fast. Whenever I wanted to stop, I just use a gesture to let it land on my hand. Super simple and easy. If you worry about a crash, it has active collision protection. No matter you are having the drone following you from behind or even from the front, it can avoid obstacle very well. If it does crash, it will not be damaged because there are soft cages for the wings. This is the best and simplest drone for a lot of sports. The footage will always be super stable. And now the highly anticipated Sparrow mode is available after a system update, along with some other new modes. You can go check them out. Okay, if you want to know more about this one, there's a link below. This is so hot out here. Let's get back to the review. Now the footage played was about me doing sports, but the Hover Air drone is actually very suitable for traveling because it is a very small and easy to use. Taking some beautiful videos of the scenery will be awesome. Anyway, there are also some phones you should consider. The first one being the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. It offers camera capabilities on par with other Ultra models, but without their bulkiness and Hasselblad-like photos. Like the telephoto camera, the focal length is neither too long nor too short. It's perfect for street photography and everyday shoots. Macro shot capability is also good. You can get a lot of stunning shots with it. For the 6x periscope camera, it has a larger sensor, wider aperture, yet minimal size increase, thanks to a new prism design. Then the main camera with a 1-inch LYT-900 sensor, its capabilities are already well known. Stellar dynamic range, crisp details, and excellent low-light performance. All four cameras can shoot 4K 60fps with Dolby Vision, but Oppo still hasn't added the 8K or log recording, which is a bit of pity. There's also the flat screens, and the UI is very user-friendly. Plus, the Find X8 Ultra has no obvious weaknesses and is reasonably priced. Next, the Vivo X200 Ultra. Based on our test, the Vivo X200 Ultra is truly powerful, whether it's photography or videography, ultra-wide or telephoto cameras, and even that external lens. Everything just blows our minds. Although the main camera changed to 35mm and without a 1-inch sensor, but it does help with the framing. Portrait shots look great straight out of the camera without any need to crop. You can also use the ultra-wide camera to get some shot with a totally different perspective. Thanks to OIS and a larger sensor, the video quality and the stabilization are close to the iPhones, and it even surpasses the iPhone at night thanks to that bigger sensor. It also supports 4K 60fps 10-bit log recording without needing an external SSD. It is currently the only Ultra flagship with an autofocus enabled selfie camera. All these can help you capture great photos and also vlogging. If you go on a trip, you don't need to carry another bulky camera. This phone can do it all. If you want to travel light, take some POV shots without draining the battery of the phone, then DJI Pocket 3 is an excellent product to buy. I've used it many times now and I love it. Even for just some talking shots or some B-roll, it is perfect. In CES, I used some gadget with the DJI Pocket 3, which are these. These are the gadgets for some POV shots. You are hanging on your neck, lock it like this, then the camera on, done. The benefit of having these gadgets is that it does not interfere with what you do or your sight. You can just walk around and take some shots. And if you want to show the detail of something, you bring it close to the camera, just take some videos of it. There is also another variant which has a magnetic ring on it, so you can connect to an iPhone, then use it that way. This is a very good tool overall. Now, these are the products we would recommend to everyone, from a good phone for everything to some gadget that take unique videos. If you're serious about taking some great shots during a trip, then consider buying some of them. Especially the Hover Air self-flying drone. We're not recommending it because they are sponsored this video. It is just because it is very easy to use. Everybody can use it, including little child. Then for the rest of them, you can get them from Geekwheels or even some other phones. Links down below. Alright, this is Will from China. See you next time.